welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today I don't look like I normally do, I feel like, because normally I like have jewelry on and like some kind of cute shirt, and I'm in my house robe and a headband because I'm like, you know, I just want to sit down, film Mail Haul Monday, hang out. I just filmed this look right here, which was a full face using new Too Faced products, so that will be up probably later this week. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, happy Monday. Welcome. I post 3 times a week, so Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And click the bell notification. I think that's normally it for my spiel. But I'm excited to dive into new packages today and just talk to you guys about new releases and new products coming up and just play with makeup. So let's go ahead and get started. So first package came from Charlotte Tilbury, and you guys, I was freaking out when this came in. I love Charlotte Tilbury. I never imagined that one day like I would get some type of product from Charlotte. Like, I just think it's so crazy. But she sent over her new releases. So we have an eyeshadow palette, and then we have these, I think they're supposed to be lip glosses, but they're almost like a liquid lipstick too. So we'll test these out. Okay, so first things first is the palette. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury, the Icon palette. Oh, the colors in this palette are so beautiful, and the packaging is lovely as well. Now, I did see recently on Trend Mood that Charlotte Tilbury is coming out with, it looked like a palette with bronzer, blush, and highlight. It looks so gorgeous. I definitely want to check that out. But here's what this palette looks like. So it's really fun. It has a lot of different colors in it. So these are supposed to be paired together, I believe. So it has 1, 2, and 3 in rows like this. So it says Day Eyes, Diva Eyes, Disco Eyes. Okay, and it comes with a nice mirror. So let's swatch the Day Eyes. These colors are beautiful, but the biggest thing that I can just tell right off the bat is how buttery they are. They're so buttery, and I cannot even describe them to you guys. I only own one Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. It was the one that came out last year around, I think, the like holidays. I actually have it right here. This is the one that I own, and I love it. I have gotten so much use out of it, but these feel even better than that palette. I cannot describe just how buttery they are. Oh, I definitely feel like I need to try more Charlotte Tilbury palettes now. Okay, let's go to the third row. And I'm just like barely swiping my finger across these. Now this one eyeshadow right here, I'm trying to like press it in because when it came, it looked like it was almost about to be cracked. Like, look at my finger where I swatched some of them. But yeah, these shades are just so beautiful. I feel like you could even wear this every day too. And then very last row are like the greens and blues. Ooh, that blue's so pretty. I cannot believe this pigmentation. Oh my gosh, I have to put these in my eyes. Not today, but sometime very soon. So there's that last row swatched. I feel like I saw this palette online, but nothing does it justice until you see it in person. The colors are just so pretty. So that is the eyeshadow palette right there. And the packaging's stunning as well. Okay, next we have the Latex Love Long Lasting Intense Lip Gloss that gives you instant latex lips, is what it says. The colors on these are beautiful. So this is like a very everyday color. This one is Dirty Dancer. Then we have Canny's Tropez, another really pretty shade. Next we have a really pretty nude. This is called Belle du Sour. I probably butchered the pronunciation on that. And I'm pretty sure these are mostly like nude shades, and I think there's 1 or 2 pops of color in this lip collection. Oh, this one's gorgeous as well. This one's called Video Vixen. Ooh, yes. Then we have Studio 64. Oh, this is like the perfect like corally shade. And then very last, we have Berry Nude. So I feel like these deserve at least a swatch on the lips. I'm going to take my lipstick off, and I think the Berry Nude would look really good today with my look, so let's try them on. Oh, they're like pigmented off the bat. Do you see that? I know it's very close to my lip color, but like this is way pigmented than any other lip gloss I've tried, and it feels really smooth on the lips. Very beautiful. This is Berry Nude. Like instead of very, it's berry with a B. So thank you so much to Charlotte Tilbury and the Charlotte Tilbury team for sending these products over. I can't wait to test them out for you guys. I may try to do like a lip swatch video on Instagram or something like that, but stay tuned. So the next lip products came from Buxom, and I did open this to try these out. These are so awesome. So it is called the Serial Kisser. And here is like the little card. It comes with 8 different shades, $22, available now at Sephora and Ulta and Buxom.com. So it says, unlike stains of the past that leave your pout parched, this lush lightweight serum with a glossy finish floods lips with major moisture. So it's super duper hydrating. Again, I'm going to try one on for you guys so you can see what they look like. Okay, so Pucker Up Dolly, that's very similar to the ones I'm wearing today. So the package looks like this. You can actually see through where it says Buxom to see the shade. And it comes with a huge applicator. So when you first put it on, it smells like, I swear it smells like Jolly Ranchers. And it looks a little bit dark at first, but it feels like a lip oil when you put it on. So here's what that looks like. Really, really comfortable. It's almost like, not your lips, but better, but it just, so it's not meant to be anything like super duper crazy, but it's really hydrating. And I feel like these would be really good in the summer whenever you don't want to wear a ton of makeup, because the more it like wears, the more it fades, just like a little bit, not anything crazy, but it's so comfortable. It feels like you don't have anything on. So like on a beach day or something like that, this would be really nice. So this is Pucker Up Dolly. I'm gonna try on another one for you guys because I'm in a lip swatching mood. Okay, the next one is Smooch. And Smooch is like a really pretty peachy shade. And again, it's just like a really pretty stain. It's hard to describe like how it feels on the lips. It's just very hydrating, and like you can just move your lips around so effortlessly when it's on. And it does take just a tad bit to dry down, but once it's dried down, again, super duper comfortable. So this one is Smooch. And I feel like it's gonna look different on everybody's lips because it really just depends upon like what color your lips are naturally if you wear it over top of anything, but really pretty shades. Okay, I'm gonna put on a lipstick really quick. And again, a big thank you to Buxom for that package. Next, we have the Benefit Brow Search. So every single year, Benefit does this. I think it's like a brow boot camp. I think last year they did it in Colorado. So you can go to their website, and I think there's like different ways to enter and stuff. But it looks really cool. A bunch of influencers come out and they do, I think they do like different teams and stuff. And it says Brow Search, Arch Academy, finding the best in-class brows. And it says, the search is on. Do you have what it takes? $50,000. So I think the winner actually gets $50,000 if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. So it says win $50,000 and become a Benefit Brow Ambassador. You have to do 2 posts. There's going to be 20 finalists. There's 4 different brow fessers that will coach the teams and 1 grand prize winner. So here's like the little layout so you can do different brow postings. I think they're looking for at least 2. And then they sent over a ton of brow products for me. So thank you, Benefit. We have this. I don't think I've ever saw this before, actually. The Angled Brow Brush, which looks really nice. Then we have the 24-hour Brow Setter. We have the High Brow Pencil. And then we have the Foolproof Brows, Precisely My Brows, Goof Proof, Gimme Brow, and Ka-Brow. So many different brow products. Thank you so much to Benefit for that package. Next 2 packages came from the brand, I think it's WTHN. I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it. But they are a supplement company, and they sent over 2 different boxes. Me and Snow are literally so excited. So he actually opened the package and we like pulled everything out, and I'm like, oh my gosh, no, I got to make sure like I show this in a video because I wanted to tell you guys about it. So they sent over a bunch of different ones. The first one they sent over is the Gut Check, and it says bye-bye bloat and digestion boot. You may feel a metabolism boost, like your gut is supercharged with this one. Then we have the Kick It. It says fast forward to feeling better when you're under the weather. We have the Fully Charged, which is a daily energy and workout boost. We have the Daily Stress Management, which I definitely need because I've had so much going on. And yeah, I'm excited. So Then this one is Clean Slate for detox. Can't touch this. Again, the one for your immune system. So I'm really excited to try this out, and thank you guys so much for that package. Okay, next package I ordered from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. As you guys know, the Blue Blood palette launched last week. And honestly, I'm very excited. I feel like people that don't even wear blue, like me, just wanted to get the palette anyways. And it comes in this really nice box. This is my first time seeing it, but the unicarton looks beautiful. And here's what the palette looks like. I'm actually going to be filming a tutorial that will be up this week with this palette. I just think it's so different, and I think it's gonna be crazy that I'm gonna do a blue look. This packaging is insane. It's like so high quality, but here's what it looks like. Beautiful colors. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to swatch these. So we will save that for later on swatching and everything. Okay, next package came from Rimmel, London. And this looks like a paint can. I gotta flip it upside down to get it out. Whoop, okay. This is Find Your Perfect Matte. Oh my gosh, and it literally has this like key holder to, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like to crack open the paint can. This is so freaking adorable. I don't really know what I'm doing, but look, like I have the key in here, just like this. Is that not so cute? And I'm like pulling it up. Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna like, okay, I think I got it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at what all they sent over. So we have, oh my gosh, are these concealers? Yes, okay. So we have a bunch of Stay Matte, Soft Matte Concealers. Ooh. And then we have some Stay Matte Full Coverage Foundation. Ooh, we have a Rimmel sponge. And this feels really nice. A setting spray. And then they sent over some different Stay Matte powders. Thank you so much, Rimmel. This package is so freaking cute. Like, I love it. I like want to put it somewhere. You guys know how I am. I like trying to decorate my room with PR stuff because it's so cute. Thank you so much, Rimmel, for this package. I cannot wait to try out these concealers and foundations and everything else. I wanted to show it because I didn't realize I hadn't showed it yet. It says Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty. This is Cake Land. And here's what the little card looks like. And this is a bunch of different products. Oh, I feel like it smells good. So this is the Heavy Cream Rich Vanilla Shea Butter for deep nourishing. For deeply nourishing. It's a hand balm. Okay. And then we have the Soft Serve Totally to Die For Cream Rinse Conditioner. I've been trying out new conditioners and shampoos because I've ran out of mine. The Posh Wash, which is a shampoo. I wonder if these smell like cake. Then we have the Wave Maker. We have the Do Gooder Totally to Die For Volumizing Dry Shampoo. And then this one is the Setting and Shaping Make It Behaving Style. I guess it's like a style cream. I want to try the dry shampoo. I'm completely out of my IGK dry shampoo and I want to try something different. And then this is the Desert Island Hand Lotion and then the Milkmaid Hand Cream. So thank you so much to Cake for that package. And it says, life's too short to say no to cake. I love that. Okay, next package is from Profusion. And I feel like I'm doing all the packages that I've had. So if I don't get any more next week, there might not be a mail haul Monday. But, you know, I don't want to do one and it only be like a couple minutes long. Okay, so this is from Profusion. And you guys, they have such good products. I tried one of their eyeshadow palettes in a First Impressions and it was really good. This is the Spectrum palette, but these are like crazy neon colors. And they always wrap stuff like Christmas presents. I love it. Then we have, ooh, they have a sparkling eye topper. I definitely want to try that because you guys know how I've been about eye toppers lately. We have this Eye Define Long Lasting Liquid Eyeliner. And then lastly, we have their Paradise palette, 35 shades. Now, the one that I tried, the pans were like square, but it was really, really nice. I haven't tried this like type of eyeshadow palette from them, but the colors look really nice. So thank you so much to Profusion for that package. Okay, very last package. I'm not sure who this is from. Oh, it's from Mark Anthony. So it says a root lifting, weightless, cleansing, volumizing, strengthening. Okay, so we have a Dream Big Volume Thick and Full Hairspray. We have the Dream Big Volume 7-in-1 Thickening Treatment. We have the Volumizing Super Powder. I think this is like the powder that you put like up here to make your hair look more voluminous. And then we have thickening cream and shampoo and conditioner. So again, a huge thank you to Mark Anthony for that package. And you guys, that's going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.